Check out this pickup here at Unique Specialty and Classics. It's a 1956 Ford F100 regular cab, short box step side, bright red in color, 292 Y-block V8 underneath the hood. That's paired up with a 3-speed manual transmission. The engine is actually out of a 58 T-Bird, according to the previous owner. Take a look at the front grille, driving lights, bumper. This vehicle will come with a 3-month, 500-mile warranty protection plan included in the purchase price. That may be extendable out to 10 years. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. 507-386-1726 is where you can reach us at. UniqueClassicCars.com is where you can check out all the still pictures of this. Undersides, interior, engine bay. Riding on wide white wall radials. Beauty rings. Wheel covers. As you can see, paint shows well on this. Nice shine to it. There's a few imperfections. I did picture this up in the still pictures. A little touch-up spot kind of by the front fender. But overall, great truck to jump in. Local roll-ins, cruise-ins, local shows. Gray and red interior. We'll get around to the driver's side, check that out a little closer. Start it up, let you hear it run. In the still pictures, I also have pictures without the tonneau cover on. So there's a vinyl tonneau cover, fits on, snaps on nicely, nice and tight. You can see the still pictures on our website that are going to show the box with the tonneau cover off. It does have a nice oak bed with polished stainless bed strips. It's also going to come with a cover for storage. I'll put that up in the cab of it. Another thing to remember is we do consider trades. Financing is available. And of course, we can assist with transportation. As you can see, dual exhaust. Good sounding truck. Said we'll start it in a bit here. Side mount spare. Great look. UniqueClassicCars.com. Take your time looking through all the still pictures. Something else to try to mention is we have an open door policy. If you can't make it to see this vehicle yourself, you're out of state, time doesn't allow it, hey, we have an open door policy for inspectors. We have a hoist set up. They can put it up on the hoist if they'd like. We see them quite often. So not a problem there. We try to give you as fair as representation as we can with all the pictures taken in the video, driving videos. But if you want another set of eyes on it, feel free. In the still pictures, you're going to be able to see the data tag or door tag. One thing else I want to mention is in front of, it's kind of right up in here, in front of the passenger side seat on the floor, that's where there is a battery shut-off switch. Just want to let you know that so you know where that's at. Again, passenger side in front of the seat, down on the floor, about where your left heel would be if you're sitting there. Seat belts, wipers, had those working. There's a toggle switch right over here. That's for the driving lights we've seen up on the bumper. Lights are here, those are working, and that's wipers. All in working order. Let's go ahead and start it up. There we go. Again, 292 V8. There's some aftermarket gauges underneath here. Oil pressure, amp meter, temp gauge. That was a cold start, so I wouldn't expect that to be moving at all. And see some labeled knobs right there also. This is for the driving lights. Can't remember if I mentioned that before or not. And wipers do work. I believe I said that also. So to make sure you know, take a look at the top of the dash. Make sure we're in neutral here. Door closes nicely. Slip around to the back and hear that dual exhaust. get the hood open and check out that V8 underneath there. And here it is with the hood open. Nice, clean, tidy engine bay. And you Ford on Ford guys gotta like this. Fan shroud still intact. Looks like it's running a Holly 4-barrel. Sounds good, looks good. Nice, clean, tidy engine bay. You can check that out all in the still pictures and more. You'll see the underside, the bed, the interior. Remember, it comes with that 3-month, 500-mile warranty protection plan. 1956 Ford F100. Good looking step side. UniqueClassicCars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there if you're seeing it on YouTube. 507-386-1726. We do consider trades. Financing is available. And of course, we can assist with transportation.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
Today we're driving a 1956 Ford F100. Looking really good in a brilliant red with a red and gray interior. Both our turn signal indicators are working. This is a 3-on-the-tree manual. Easy to shift. Clutch feels good. Under the dash we have oil pressure at approximately 70 pounds. Amps are right at 0, the middle of the gauge. Looks like she's happy at just about the speed limit with the gearing in this truck. Our wipers are working. Fuel gauge is reading under half on factory fuel gauge. Letting go of the wheel, it stays nice and straight in the lane. Only a little play in the steering. Brakes are a little touchy. Felt like that was a rear one, but they do work well.